Well, the forecast was definitely right. It's proper starting to come down now, and finally in the south we've been hit with snow. Welcome back, my DIY nomads. I'm super sorry that it's been now nearly 3 weeks since I brought out a video. That is just down to issues I've had. Basically, a bunch of stuff that was meant to come. I was speaking to the guy, it didn't ship. He thought it shipped to someone else, so that hasn't arrived, so he shipped it recently. Then we got hit with the weather and the snow, which meant that it still isn't here. And this was the stuff that I was going to get done for the next couple of videos. I'm going to take off my hood. So basically I just wanted to say a quick apology for not bringing out any content recently. I'm really sorry. Everything really should be arriving tomorrow, which I think is Monday. I'm going to try and bring out 2 videos this week coming, just as a little apology, but you know, to keep my content going. Really exciting news is I'm getting really close to 10,000 subscribers, which is a huge milestone for me. I'm planning on doing a little giveaway when I get there. This is just a little update video, but what I have planned for next week in the next 2 videos is I'm going to show you through my refreshed 12-volt system, and then I'm going to show you through all the cool stuff that I bought for the van. I'm actually going to be getting rid of my double passenger seat, as I said before. It's just I was waiting for the right opportunity to get the right seats, and I found some really badass like captain chairs, and I got them for a really good price. So they're going to be coming next week. And I've also got more news that I'm going to be showing next week about the two epic adventures that I will be doing this year, and they're going to be really exciting to follow on. I'm going to do a proper series for them because one of them I'm going to be away for like about a month, and the other one I'm going to be away for 2 months. So something to really follow along with. I am really excited to finally get back into the videos. It has been so tricky here. And the snow just completely crippled us. We were snowed in. I'm in a really small little country village, so we were just bogged down. There was no way of getting out. I tried to get out in the So's car. That was a complete failure. I had to get pulled out by a 4-wheel drive. But no, it's been really good fun. I've enjoyed the snow days. I've had my little time off from YouTube, which I haven't really wanted to do, but it's just been forced upon me. And I will be back into it. So huge apology from me. Please don't give up on me. I will be back. And please make sure you subscribe, because there are going to be some awesome videos coming up this year, some really epic stuff. And when I do hit my 10k mount, I'm also going to do, along with the giveaway, I'm going to organise with you on the Discord group that I'll put in the link in the description below. I'm going to organise a UK tour. I'm going to ask you guys where you'd like me to come, and we can do little van meetups, and I'd love as many of you to come along as possible at each location. I'm going to show off all of your vans on my channel, and you guys can give me some inspiration. Hopefully I can give you some inspiration, and we can just learn off each other and bounce ideas. So it'll be amazing. So I will catch you guys really soon. Just bear with me. Catch you guys next week.